Today's tutorial is all about creating a database in MariaDB. To create a MariaDB database, you have to open the MariaDB installed in your computer. Once it is opened, you have to enter the password already set, and then the welcome message will appear signifying that you are already connected with the MariaDB version or server. The next step is to create a database. We will be using a particular syntax. So we have here the syntax, create database, and then the name. The name here specify the name of the database to be created. So for example, we are going to create a database named enrollment information. So we are going to use the create database syntax. So we have the create database enrollment, then the name of the database, which is information. A new database will be created with the name enrollment information. The query OK here signifies that there is no error in the command being executed. So in order to check all the created database, we have to use the show databases query. So we have here the show databases query. Let's execute it. And here, all the databases that are already created will be displayed.